Okay, today this is a demo about a topic, voice to text. And you can see my n8n workflow on the screen. You know, if you have a look to a previous video, that I install n8n on OCI in a VM. Okay? Then, on the top here, workflow, this is a template coming from n8n. And this template will get a message from a Telegram application, then transform that to text. And after that, you can see that I call another workflow with an agent that is doing a request on OCI. For example, here, this agent is able to list all the buckets in my tenant. Okay, so nice. Here on the top, I need to go fast, voice to text fast, because I want to have an answer quickly in Telegram. Below, it's absolutely not the same use case, okay? The use case below, I'm using OCI speech, and the use case is to do batch and to process a lot of file, voice to text, in the cloud, okay? And I don't need to go fast. I don't need to have an answer on Telegram. Is it just because as I have a voice file here, it was very simple to plug that directly on this node, okay? So two use case here, voice to text, fast. I'm using Whisper, OpenAI here. And here, voice to text, batch with a lot of file, lot of processing, the power of the cloud, okay, with OCI speech. Let's go for the demo. Okay. Please give me the list of the buckets of my tenant. Okay, so you can see the message arrived, the workflow is running, then my sub workflow with my agent will go to OCI using OCI Python SDK. And wow, I got the answer, the list of the bucket. Super nice, okay? Then the second workflow here, you can see I'm using OCI speech, okay? And the work is done. Okay, so the top demo is finished, okay? I recorded the file in Google Drive, and I added a line in a Google Sheet. It's okay. On the second time here, for the down workflow, I uploaded the file to a bucket, okay, here. So I can do a refresh. We can see another file here, okay. Then five files instead of 4 at start. And we got a job that has run, and the result here in n8n speech, okay, we got the result of voice to text. Just to have a look here on the result is, for example, this one, okay. So super nice. To use case on OCI speech, you have another feature, okay, that is more real time. This is here live transcribe. For example, okay, this is another feature with live transcribe. Okay, top session reset. As you can see, it's super simple to use OCI in n8n. You just have to use OCI SDK. For example, we can have a look here to this node, and you can see it's very, very simple just to upload the message I received from Telemark to the OCI bucket. Okay, thank you for your attention.